Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to exit a server on Discord. The first thing you like to do is to log into your Discord web app. So open your browser and go to Discord web app. And once you're done, log in with your email and your password if prompted. Once you're logged in, it's going to take you to the Discord homepage. Now, on the left navigation panel, go ahead and find the server that you want to leave. For example, this is a server that I want to leave. So click on the server icon. And once you click on that, it's going to open the server. So this is it. Now click on the server name, which is at the top of the channel list here. And go ahead and click on the drop down menu that is right next to it, the drop down icon. Now this is a drop down icon and you have a couple of options here. So server boost, invite people, app directory. You have show all channels, notification settings, and you have leave server. So go ahead and click on leave server, which is at the bottom of the menu. And this a confirmation pop-up will appear, asking if you're sure you want to leave the server. So go ahead and click on the leave server button to confirm. Leave server. So it says you won't be able to rejoin the server unless you're re-invited. Fine. Leave it, leave. And I'm just clicking on this leave button. It just seems like it doesn't want me to leave yet. So let's say cancel and go back again. Oh, these people are not letting me to leave yet. Okay, well then just click. And once you click on leave, you'll be able to leave. So I'm not really part of this server because I have not identified my, verified my identity. So I have to verify this identity before I join the server. And once I join the server and I click here and I click on leave server, I'll be able to leave immediately. But I am not even part of this server, so there's no point leaving. I can just go ahead and click on this X icon and just exit the whole server thing. Now, once I exit it, it's just really going to be off. See, it's off until I really join. So that's pretty much it. Now, if you change your mind, you can always rejoin the server by using an invite link, or if the server settings allow re-invite. Now, if you're an admin or have special permissions, leaving the server will not delete the server. It will still remain active for other members. Now, go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.